Hello viewers, please subscribe my channel and get more electrical related video. Today we will discuss some MCQ related objective question answer video. So the first question is, two wire A and B, same cross section area and same material, RA equal to 600 and RB equal to 100. So A is longer than B. Here the four options. We get the formula R equal to rho into L by A. Here the L and A are the same. So L proportional to the R. We get that R2 by R1 equal to L1 by L2. So L1 by L2 equal to R1 by R2. We get the formula R2 equal to L2 by L1 into R1. We put the value of R2 by R1. We get the relation L1 L2. So R2 equal to 6 of R1. We get the formula. So option A is the answer. So the next question of this series is, when the low resistance is connected in parallel with the high resistance, the combined resistance is option A, always more than the high resistance, always less than the low resistance, always between the value of the high and low resistance, either the lower or the higher than the low resistance depending on the value of the high resistance. We know that for the parallel circuit connection or the parallel circuit, the equivalent resistance is the low as compared to the low resistance of this series. So we get the equivalent resistance or equivalent resistance of the circuit is the always less than the low resistance of the circuit. Say here option B is the answer. So the next question is, 200 watt and 200 volt bulb are connected in series across the 200 volt. The total power consumed each lamp will be the watts of A, 25, 50, 100 and 200. We know that from this formula we get the R1 equal to the V square by P. So the each circuit resistance we get the 400 ohm. So the total resistance is 800 ohm. So we get the formula I equal to V by R. According to Ohm's law, we get the I equal to 1 by 4 amps. So the power consumed equal to P equal to I square into R. So power consumed in each bulb equal to 1 by 4 square into R. We get the 25 watt for the each bulbs. So here the option A is 25 watt is the answer. So the next questions of this series is, when the power factor will have least effect on the voltage, the load in of the two wire supply circuit. So we know that the power factor is the least affected. We know for the load end of the two wire, we get the power factor when the two load of the end is affected, it is the least affected for the frequency. We know that the whenever supply frequency is 50 or 25 hertz, it is the least affected. So here we get the options of B. Whenever supply frequency is 25 hertz or the 50 hertz, it is the least affected for the two wire supply circuit. So the next question is, for the given line voltage for heating up coil will produce the maximum heat when is connected. We know that in a heat coil is connected when we get the maximum heat. We know that for the series the voltage will be the drop in nature. So the voltage will be the drop, the heat produced is the low. We know that for the parallel the voltage is the remain same, so the heat produced is high. So when we connected in a circuit in parallel, we get the maximum heat. So here option A, the all in the parallel when we connected we get the maximum heat. So the option A is the answer. So we get the next questions. For the current flow to the circuit must be isolated, insulated, complete and protected. We know that for the current flow of the circuit, when will the current flow of the circuit must be the complete, not is isolated, not is insulated or not be protected. It is the protected, but the circuit will be the complete circuit, the current will be the flow. Never the complete circuit, the current will not the flow. So the complete circuit means the current circuit will be the connected all the equipments. So here option B, the complete is the answer. Option C. So we get the next question from this series, that if a live conductor of the public supply touch the earth metal, we know that the earthing is for the purpose of the protection, but the live conductor touch the earth, we know that the flow of the current, so the current will be the flow to the earth. So we get from this the figure, the current will be the flow from the earth, phase to earth, so there will be the flow of current. So here the answer is the D, current will be the flow through the earth. So please subscribe my channel and get more electrical related video. So here the option D, current will be the flow through the earth when the phase were connected to the earth. So the next question is, earth's electric shock is always fatal, never fatal, sometimes fatal and always distinguished. We know that the electric shock is fatal when the current or amps is the sufficient. So the electric shock is always fatal when we give the sufficient voltage and the current flowing through the circuit. So we get the option always fatal, never fatal, sometime fatal, and always distinguished. So here the right answer is the sometime fatal when we get the sufficient voltage to the circuit or sufficient current flowing through the circuit. So the option C, sometime fatal, is the answer. And the next question is the Kirchhoff's voltage law is not valid for the nonlinear network. It is the true, false, and both and none. We know that Kirchhoff's law is the always valid for the linear network. It is not the valid of the nonlinear network or the other network. Nonlinear network means when the network will not obey the Ohm's law. So the circuit is the nonlinear network. So we get from this the statement is the false. So here option B is the right answer. So the next questions of this series is the material used for the fuse have. We know that the fuse material of the circuit is the fuse material has the low melting point. It easily melt the fuse wire and disconnect the circuits. So is the specific resistance of the fuse metals is the always high. It is the easily burn for the purpose of the fuse wire. So the here option B is the low melting point and the high specific resistance. So the here option B is the answer, because the fuse materials is the low melting point and the high specific heat due to the connections. So the thanks for watching this video. So thanks for watching.